Maintaining your perfect smile shouldn't demand your entire day. Welcome to the Eye Health How to Use Guide. This technology connects you directly with your dentist, ensuring your treatment remains on track without the need for additional clinic visits. Your journey begins with the Illusion Aligners app. Whenever a checkup is required, your dentist will schedule an eye health session for you. You will receive an instant notification on your device. Simply tap the alert to dive straight into your journey, or access it manually at your convenience. Locate the Eye Health tab on your dashboard and tap Start Now. Select your primary concern, or choose Regular Checkup and answer a few brief questions about your teeth and gums. These quick answers give your dentist the clinical context they need before the scan even starts. Now click on Start Scan. Next, prepare your iScope 360 for high-resolution imaging. Open the elastic straps on the iScope 360. Now, carefully slide it over your phone's rear camera, aligning the iScope 360 lens directly with your phone's camera lens. Please make sure that you are not wearing your aligners during the eye health journey. You are now ready to capture your progress. Tap the screen to begin. We'll start with the front view. Bite down naturally and smile wide. Once the alignment is correct, the alignment ball turns green, and the app will automatically capture the shot. Now, simply follow the on-screen arrows. Shift your iScope 360 slightly left to expose the left side of your teeth. Shift your iScope 360 slightly right to capture the right side. Wait for the green signal for a perfect shot every time. For the upper teeth view, open your mouth slightly and tilt up. For the lower teeth view, open your mouth slightly and tilt down. It is as simple as this. In less than 1 minute, your clinical photos are ready. Review your captures for clarity and tap Submit to Dentist. Seconds later, the Eye Health AI generates your report. You can explore color-coded overlays that pinpoint exactly which areas require attention. You can view your oral health meter to keep your dental health checked. Your dentist will receive the same reports. They can review the data and provide personalized feedback. Your dentist is now just a tap away. To discuss your results directly, tap Consult Now. Select Request Appointment to access the iTrack Live calendar. Choose a preferred date and time that fits your schedule. Your request is sent instantly to your dentist for confirmation, bridging the gap between home and the clinic. To learn more about remote consultations, watch the next chapter in our series. This is Eye Health, complete oral monitoring at your fingertips. This is not just a feature. This is the future of your dental journey. For any further queries or assistance, you can reach out to your dentist.